الحمد لله حمدا كثيرا طيبا مباركا فيه، والصلاة والسلام على رسول خير خلقه محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه وأتباعه أجمعين. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والسابقون الأولون من المهاجرين والأنصار والذين تبعوهم بإحسان رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه. وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: أصحابي كالنجوم في أيهم اقتديتم اهتديتم. وكما قال صلى الله عليه وسلم. Honorable Chief Guests, respected teachers, and my dear classmates and speech friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic of my today's talk is the role of Sahaba in Islam. I hope you listen my topic carefully. Respected friends, first of all, I would like to tell you who was Sahaba. The word Sahabi is an Arabic word. Its plural form is Sahabi, that literally means companion. But in Islam, it is used to describe a certain group of people who accepted Islam, who have seen the Holy Prophet ﷺ at last once in their lifetime, and who embraced Islam and remained Muslim till their last breath. My sweet friend, Sahaba were those people. Sahaba were the first people who accepted Islam and believed the Holy Prophet ﷺ and believed the Holy Quran. They are the first respondents of Sunnah. They are the first sacrificers for Islam. They sacrificed their wealth and all their properties for the prosperity of Islam. They are those people who firmly stood up with our Holy Prophet ﷺ in the hardship of war and shortfall. They fought against the enemies of Islam. They migrated from Mecca to Medina. They created everything only for the prosperity of Islam. About whom Allah says, Radiallahu anhum wa radu anhum. Allah was pleased with them and they were pleased with Allah. And the Holy Prophet says, Ashabi kan-nujum, fabi-ayyihim iqtadaytum ihtadaytum. My companions, like stars. However of them you follow, you will find the right way. Sahaba have the desire of Shahadat. If they did not have the desire of Shahadat, they should sit at their houses. They should sit among their wives and children who did not like to stay at their houses, who do not like to sit at their houses, who do not like to sleep at their houses. But listen, when the Holy Prophet Sahaba recited the kalimat, they did not like to walk at their houses. They did not like to sit at their houses, but they liked to walk under the shadow of trees. They are those people who sacrifice everything for the honor of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. They migrated from Mecca to Medina, and they make their wives widows. They make their children orphans for the sake of the religion of Allah. Living homes, becoming homeless, and being exalted from their homeland, and they raise the Islamic faith across the world. There are many Sahaba in the history of Islam, but four of them are very important. But we can talk one of them, who is Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu. He was the closest companion of Huzur Pak sallallahu. He is the first Khalifa of Huzur Pak sallallahu, about whom Huzur Pak sallallahu says, if I want to take a Khalil from my time, I would take Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu. And he favored me with his company and property. At the last of my topic, I want to share you people some wise saying words that we should talk about it. We should understand about it. That we do not destroy our life. We do not destroy our everything. I shall be very thankful everyone up here. I thank you for your attention.
This was Mr. Iftikhar Ahmed who presented his golden thoughts.